Assalamualaikum viewers, कैसे हो आप सब? I hope you all are doing great. Today I am going to share with you a healthy, easy and tasty recipe of rich gourd or turai. These are two turai, medium to big size, which I have peeled and cut into small pieces, this size pieces. Washed cleanly with thrice with clean water. And this is 50 grams of mutton, boneless mutton. This is optional, but if you add this in your curry, it enhances the taste of your curry. And these are 3 to 4 tomatoes, big size, medium to big size. And this is one medium sized onion sliced. And here I have taken few coriander leaves and 2 green chilies with a slit in middle. And apart from this, I have also taken, these are fenugreek leaves. These are frozen fenugreek leaves. If you want, if you have, you can take fresh also. I'm going to prepare this recipe in a pressure cooker, so for which I have heated the pressure cooker, in which I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of oil. As soon as our oil started heating, now I'm going to add the finely sliced onion pieces. Now I'm going to fry them until they become translucent. As soon as the onions become translucent, now I'm going to add the mutton pieces that are washed cleanly. After frying up the mutton pieces for a few minutes, 1 to 2 minutes, now I'm going to add half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. I have taken 50 grams of mutton, but if you wish, you can also take more. But for me, this much is enough for us. I'm going to prepare this recipe for breakfast. This recipe is available for breakfast as well as in dinner. To serve it with chapatis or pulka parathas. Now I'm going to add the tomato pieces. Again, I'm going to fry them very well until they mash completely. You can see I have mashed the tomato pieces well. My flame is medium to high. And now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Now my flame is medium to low to avoid burning of chili powder. Now I'm going to add salt, 1 teaspoon and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now I'm going to mix it very well. Now my flame is high. See how I'm mashing the tomato pieces. And now I'm going to add coriander leaves along with 2 green chilies. Again, I'm going to fry or mix them very well. Now I'm going to add nearly 100 ml of water, just little, not much. because rich gourd also releases more water. Vegetables, as you know, vegetables releases more amount of water, so avoid adding more amount of water. Just I have added 50 ml water to clean the spatula. Now I am going to close the lid of my pressure cooker and I am going to pressure cook this mutton along with tomatoes for 3 to 4 whistles. As this is a mutton, so I am going to pressure cook it for 4 whistles. If you are taking beef, you can pressure cook it for 6 to 7 whistles on medium to high flame. After 4 whistles, now I am going to turn off the flame. Now you can see after 2 to 3 minutes our pressure cooker have completely released its pressure, and now I am going to open the lid of our pressure cooker. I have turned on the flame and my flame is high at this time. Now I am going to just roast them very well so that all the onion slices and tomato slices get mashed well. After roasting the onion and tomato slices for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame, you can see how nicely our curry have released the oil. At this time, I am going to add the rich gourd pieces that I have peeled, washed and chopped well into small pieces. Now my flame is high and I am going to mix it with the curry well. Now, after mixing the rich gourd pieces, I am going to add very little water, nearly 50 ml, because rich gourd releases more water after pressure cook. So I am going to add very little water. We don't want our curry to be much runny, so I have added 50 ml of water, and again I am going to close the lid of our pressure cooker and pressure cook the curry for 1 to 2 whistles. After 2 whistles, now I am going to turn off the flame and I am going to leave the pressure cooker on rest for 2 to 3 minutes or until it releases its pressure completely. While cutting this rich gourd, you just need to keep one thing in mind, that there are few rich gourds that are bitter in taste. So before chopping them, just taste. If they are bitter, just discard them. We are not supposed to use the bitter ones. Only the sweet ones we have to chop and use it in your curry. Otherwise, if you use the bitter one, the whole curry will get wasted, because the bitter rich gourds are. After 2 minutes, now I am going to open the lid of our pressure cooker. The pressure has been completely released and I have turned on the flame on high. Again I am going to roast them very well. At this point, if you want your curry to be dry, you can cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. But for me, this consistency is okay. And now I am going to add the frozen fenugreek leaves. If you have fresh, they are much better. So now I am going to mix the curry very well along with the fenugreek leaves. And now my flame is, I am going to turn the flame to medium. I have added very little water just to clean it from the sides, only 10 ml of water. I am going to cover it with the lid. I am going to leave this curry for 2 to 3 minutes on high flame and then on medium to low flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, now I am going to open the lid, and as I said you that I have prepared this curry for breakfast. I am going to serve it with the parathas. So viewers, just give it a try, and if you like my recipe, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next